Hello, inflatable fans and camping fans. I hope you're all well. This is just to let you know I'm running another community camp and paddle event. Look at all that lot! Woohoo! How cool is that? Hey! Again, it'll be at the Breighton Ferry, or Breighton Ferry, depending on how you want to pronounce it. I'll put a link in the description below, and it'll be the 28th, 29th and 30th of April, so not long to go. It's £7 a night per person if you want to camp. I'll be getting there mid-afternoon on Friday, and basically we'll be wrapping up on the Sunday, which is the 30th. So if you want to come along and meet some similar like-minded nutters who like camping or paddling, by all means let me know in the comments. I started this last year and it's been really popular, and I've met some really great people because of this, and we've been out on a lot of paddles together. You might have noticed that from my videos. Playing with water where it's relatively... Oh, he's in! Dave's in! Bloody hell! And all of those guys that I've been out paddling with this year, I met through doing these community events, and I started a WhatsApp group. So if you're interested, I can add you to the WhatsApp group, get to meet some great people and other, as I say, like-minded people. I'm yammering. If you want to come along, let me know. Just drop me a comment and we'll sort out some contact details and so on from there on in. So 28th, 29th, 30th, the Breighton Ferry, which is kind of between Selby and Hull, somewhere in that area I think it is logistically. So yeah, south of York, between Selby and Hull. Just let me know in the comments. Hope to see you there. Cheerio. I can't believe these daft f***s are doing it again. Rafts, towing, Mr. I'm doing it wrong. I need to get on board. Right, it's night time, paddle time. Hey, look at this.